Hey everyone, it's Tony, and well, we reached a milestone today. I'm good to be back. Glad to be back, I guess. But we got a new console, and what we got? The Sega Saturn. This has been on my list for a while now, and I'm so happy to have it. But that was not all. As now we're going to get into the willy-nilly and the fun stuff. So, I figured I would get a game or two for the Saturn, and so I did. I got Virtua Fighter 2, so that's $298. And I also have Chrono, I believe is what I'm pronouncing it right. I hope I am. So, yeah, these are both fighting games. I don't know about this one. I've not heard of this one. Virtua Fighter 2, of course, is a classic. But I've not heard of this one, so I might have to check this one out. But, yeah, so there's that. But then, while I was at the store, which, by the way, I went to two, I saw something that caught my eye and got Chrono Cross. And this is game number 300. So, yeah, we reached the milestone. A lot sooner than I thought. And trust me, that is exciting, but at the same time, kind of defeated the purpose of a later video I'm working on, in which we're going to get 300. But now I have to pray now that we could do that as 350 or 325. But other than that, that's pretty much it for all that. I did stop at Walmart and I picked up a Peridot. So I'm going to put this together when I get home and have it up on the shelf. But anyways, this is Tony. I am signing out. I will see you all next time. It is good to be back, guys. Thanks for waiting.
Sega Saturn.